Biden says getting COVID-19 vaccine gigantically important. Credit to Amir Madani & Alexandra Jaffe of the Columbia Basin Herald. President Joe Biden expressed pointed frustration over the slowing COVID-19 vaccination rate in the U.S. and pleaded that it's gigantically important for Americans to step up and get inoculated against the virus as it surges once again. Biden, speaking Wednesday night at a televised town hall in Cincinnati, said the public health crisis has turned largely into a plight of the unvaccinated as the spread of the Delta variant has led to a surge in infections around the country. We have a pandemic for those who haven't gotten the vaccination. It's that basic, that simple, he said on the CNN town hall. The president also expressed optimism that children under 12 will be approved for vaccination in the coming months. But he displayed exasperation that so many eligible Americans are still reluctant to get a shot. If you're vaccinated, you're not going to be hospitalized, you're not going to be in the ICU unit, and you're not going to die, Biden said at the forum at Mount St. Joseph University. So it's gigantically important that we all act like Americans who care about our fellow Americans. Over 80 minutes, Biden fielded questions on many of the pressing issues of the day, including his infrastructure package, voting rights, and the makeup of the congressional commission that will investigate the Jan 6th insurrection at the Capitol. He also reflected on what it's like to be president, saying he's sometimes taken aback by the pomp that comes with the job and the weight of being the last guy in the room left to make the call on daunting decisions. 6 months into his presidency, taming the coronavirus remains his most pressing problem. U.S. hospitalizations and deaths are nearly all among the unvaccinated. But COVID-19 cases nearly tripled in the U.S. over 2 weeks amid an onslaught of vaccine misinformation that is straining hospitals, exhausting doctors, and pushing clergy into the fray. Across the U.S., the 7-day rolling average for daily new cases rose over the past 2 weeks to more than 37,000 on Tuesday, up from less than 13,700 on July 6, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Just 56.2% of Americans have gotten at least one dose of the vaccine, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Democratic president noted that the rise has become so concerning that even his critics are pushing back against vaccine disinformation. Biden made an indirect reference to high-profile conservative personalities at Fox News Channel who have had an altar call and are now more openly speaking to their skeptical guests about the benefits of getting vaccinated. Sean Hannity recently told viewers, "I believe in the science of vaccination," and urged them to take the disease seriously. Steve Doocy, who co-hosts Fox and Friends This Week, told viewers the vaccination will save your life. Before boarding Air Force One to return to Washington, Biden told reporters he was glad they had the courage to say what they've said.